Time now 6:11. Time to check the weather. We've got meteorologist Nate Larsen in for Thomas this morning. We got a nice breeze blowing out there this morning.
Yeah, it's really kept temperatures a little more summer-like feels out there this morning than I guess early spring with 60 degrees in Salt Lake City. So, hey, beautiful start in Blanding as well. There, a little cooler, low 40s this morning, but the sun is on the way up. Sunrise about 6:45 here in Salt Lake City. Love all the color that we're seeing though at the bottom of the screen or along the horizon there, at least in Blanding, Utah State University campus in that region. Mentioned temperatures, low 40s. Yeah, we are sitting at 41 in Blanding. Moab 44. Good morning. Provo upper 40s. Salt Lake, we've dropped a degree, 59 degrees, 40 in Logan and 38 Milford. So southerly winds have kept a little bit of a warm pocket of air in the northwest corner of Utah. We're actually warmer than St. George, which is at 50 degrees this morning. Good morning as well. Snow Basin, looking at a few high clouds, otherwise a nice start to the day. We have areas of clear skies, of course, some high clouds moving in along a dissipating front that's working its way through. That's why we're seeing the strong southwest flow. We've got a trough that's approaching. With the warm air over the weekend, the winds that have been whipping, we do have an uptick in avalanche danger. It's still just moderate today. That just means that avalanches, whether human or naturally triggered, are possible but not likely today. Low avalanche risk in the Uintas, Skyline, and Moab area, but we could see an uptick in some of these conditions throughout some of the day into tomorrow as we're going to continue to see mild temperatures, and we're going to start to add a little bit of moisture on top of the snow as well. Warm and windy then for your headlines. Temperatures again increasing the snowmelt, the runoff, so we're watching some of the river levels, the flows. Ogden River, Weaver River have been rocking and rolling with river flows near action stage, if not at action stage. Not forecasted to flood, but we do have Immigration Creek that we're keeping an eye on, is forecast to rise above flood flow, which is 130 cubic feet per second tonight and again tomorrow night into Wednesday. So could have some minor flooding there. Cold front moving in tomorrow should help drop temperatures, should slow some of the snow melt. We do have a chance of some scattered showers though, so a pretty active trend throughout the week this week through Friday, at least for northern portions of Utah. Most of the impacts in the mountain areas. Wind speeds this morning, we've come down some in Salt Lake City, now just 9-mile-per-hour winds. Also in Delta, 15-mile-per-hour winds. Calm winds, though, this morning in Lake Powell and in St. George. Good morning. Light winds in Logan, just 3 miles an hour. A little bit breezier in Evanston, 14-mile-per-hour winds as well. Moab, just 3. Southwest flow in place. Again, we have a large trough, which is working its way into the Pacific Northwest coast. It'll drop into the Great Basin, generate more cloud cover throughout your Monday evening. Mountain areas, the tops could see a few light showers, but for the most part, we're expecting an increase in moisture late tonight into Tuesday. Could generate some light rain showers tomorrow morning. This is 9 o'clock, a bit of a break, but additional moisture sweeping throughout the afternoon and evening. We'll keep a chance of rain in the mix. Mountains will see a chance of snow. Wednesday could be a pretty quiet day. We have a weak ridge of high pressure that's trying to build in temporarily, but then another trough sweeping through late Wednesday into Thursday. We'll keep a chance of moisture. Northwest flow will drop our temperatures. In fact, we're looking at a good 20-degree drop in temperatures as we get into tomorrow versus our highs today. How much moisture are we expecting? Again, not a big storm system. A good 1/10, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain expected in some areas, with others expecting up to maybe a 1/4 inch of moisture. So generally a 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch for the forecast in the valleys. Mountains will see several inches of snow, but not enough to merit any kind of a winter weather advisory at this point or a warning. 72 then for the high today in Salt Lake, 73 in Provo. Moab should be mid-70s, so fairly comfortable temperatures. Warm in southern Utah, 83 degrees in St. George, dropping to 76 on Tuesday. Breezy winds, partly cloudy tomorrow, otherwise mostly sunshine throughout the rest of the week. Temperatures rebounding into the weekend with mid-70s. Saturday, breezy winds, partly cloudy, 81 again on Sunday. The WASATCH front forecast, we're mild today. We dropped to just 53 on Tuesday. Chance of some showers. Throw in a slight chance of rain, snow showers Wednesday, Thursday. Chance of rain Friday. Temperatures just near 50. Rebounding back into the 60s, though, by Sunday.